disproportionately higher amounts of data, and we have observed that this disproportionate usage contributes significantly to the congestion that I mentioned earlier. In short, 20% of the users create a poor experience for the other 80%. So in the Jio Happy New Year offer, we have fine-tuned our fair usage policy to ensure that all users get a fair share of Jio's network capacity. During this period, Jio customers will also be able to test drive Jio's digital recharge and billing experience, especially using the Jio Money Wallet. So under the Jio Happy New Year offer, Jio customers will get 30 times the average usage on other networks, absolutely free till 31st March 2017. All the details of the Jio Happy New Year offer are available on MyJio as well as on Jio.com. Friends, today I want to congratulate and applaud our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for his bold and historic decision to demonetize old currency. By doing this, our Prime Minister has given the strongest possible push to the growth of a digitally enabled, optimal cash economy in India. This decision is an important step in his ongoing efforts to change the mindset of the people of India. Digitally enabling transactions will help to create a fair, just, transparent, and a strong India and Indian economy. It will bring unprecedented accountability at every level. I believe that the common people will be the biggest beneficiaries of this change. Every Indian will have a digital ATM in their hands, which they can operate whenever and wherever they want. No more will they have to travel and stand in queue for train tickets, bus tickets, movie tickets, to pay their bills for utilities, or to deposit and withdraw money from banks. Time saved is money earned. Therefore, I am absolutely confident that a digitally enabled economy will help India become stronger and every Indian become even stronger. Once again, I would like to join my fellow Indians in congratulating our Honorable Prime Minister for this historic decision that implements his vision of digital India and lays a strong foundation for the Indian economy. With one single step, he has brought all the unproductive money into productive use. This will enhance credit flow in the economy, and legitimate credit is the fuel that powers the engine of economic growth. So far, credit in our country has mostly been high value and low volume. Digital enablement has laid the groundwork for broad availability of low value, high volume credit. This will provide credit to our farmers, small shopkeepers, traders, and daily wage earners. Friends, all of us at Jio are enthusiastically committed to making this transition smooth for every Indian across the country. Today, with the Jio Money application, every Indian has access to a digital money wallet that is linked to their bank account. One of the key drivers for adoption of digital money and the cashless way of living is people's ability to convert physical cash into digital cash and vice versa. In order to make this possible, Jio Money is rapidly expanding its reach to millions of touchpoints where Aadhaar-based micro ATMs will be deployed. Friends, To enable digital transactions, merchants, especially small merchants, are an important component of our economy. To fuel their transactions, Jio is working to empower Indian merchants by building a digital retail ecosystem which we are calling Jio Money Merchant Solutions. This will enable digital transactions of all types, whether they be at mandis, small shops, restaurants, railway ticket counters, for bus and mass transit, and even for person-to-person money transfers. Starting 5th of December, every merchant can download the Jio Money merchant application. Customers use their Jio Money wallets to pay merchants from their bank accounts, and merchants use the Jio Money merchant application to accept these payments directly into their bank accounts. Using the Jio Money merchant application, merchants can also make supplier payments, transfer money between his bank accounts, and use digital petty cash. Jio Money is focused on signing up over 10 million small merchant retailers in the coming weeks across 17,000 towns and the 4 lakh villages it operates in. With this, the Jio Money ecosystem will be a committed and enthusiastic partner for the smooth implementation of our Honorable Prime Minister's game-changing vision of creating a digitally enabled and strong Indian economy. Friends, in 3 short months, Jio and India have together crossed a number of important milestones and are well on our path to achieving global digital leadership. 2017 will be the 17th year of India's freedom. On this occasion, I humbly submit the Jio Happy New Year offer to the nation and wish that each and every one of you make the most of it. As always, we keenly look forward to your constructive feedback and to co-create the best network experience in the world. Thank you for trying Jio. Thank you for using Jio. Thank you for improving Jio. And finally, thank you for loving Jio. We hope that with Jio, your life is digital and your life is beautiful. I wish you a very good evening and a happy, prosperous, and digital 2017. Thank you.